Okay, in order to get your audio file into creating a QR code, now that it's been stored in Google, first thing you need to do is you need to go to Google. So if you've gone to Google and this isn't your picture or your name, you'll want to sign in. Once you do that, you want to click on My Drive. So over here is My Drive, and this is the first recording. You may want to put them all in a folder so that it's easy to access. So once you're here, the first thing we need to do is we need to change the share settings so that anyone can see them. So I'm going to right click on this and I'm going to click on Share. The default is set with anyone in KPR, but the problem with that is that with students, they'd have to be logged in on the iPad to use this. So we're going to change that by going to the advanced setting, and then we're going to click on change, and it's going to be anyone with the link. So it means that not just anybody can find it, but it's only people who have that QR code, so it's fairly safe. And you just want to save it as Can View, and then we're going to click Save. And then this is the link to sharing. And so what we're going to do is we're going to copy that. And then there is an option within here to create a QR code, so you can do it that way. And then you can snip that and save it. The other way that I like to do, though, is I actually like to go to up here and go QR code generator. And I always pick the first one. They're all pretty much the same. This one's the simplest one. And I'm going to paste that URL there, and I'm going to click create a QR code. And what I like about doing it this way is that I can now use my snipping tool, which I have pinned to my taskbar, but if you don't, just click over here and just type in snipping tool, and it will come up and you can use that. So I'm going to click on that. The thing with QR codes is they all look the same. So I'm going to use my snipping tool here. I'm going to call File, I'm going to Save As. It's going to give me the option of where I want to save it. So I usually just save these things to my desktop to make it easier, but for right now I want to change it. So you'll want to call it the book name. So this is my test recording. And then it will appear, I think I just saved that onto my desktop. So if I close, it should be on right here, so my test recording, so then I can print that out. The other thing that I sometimes do to make it easier to print is I put it all into a Word document or a Google Drive document, and then I'm able to print it all at once. And that's how you do that.